This 2025 K-Z Connect C302FBK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in San Angelo, Texas, 76905 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Angelo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a NOMAD interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bath, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.